you think all these niggas wanna cuff for? A lot of bloods, what you think they in the cut for? I don't need no fraud. I don't need no drama when you call.
So you're all dancing, you're all exercising. So I'll show you what we got.
Can you just be quiet? Oh my god, guys, these chips are so bomb. I'm so hungry right now. I'm waiting for my... I'm baking ribs right now. So yeah. Okay, hey guys, so my Scentbird came in. And I'll show you guys the fragrances that I got. I got a Prada one, I got a Burberry, and a Versace. And I'm doing the 3 months the 3 perfumes prescription. It's only $35, bitch. So yeah. Oh, I can smell it already. Oh my god, you guys. It came in like one of them came because I only bought one case. So. Oh, it's a white case. Hey! Well, sorry guys. Logan was freaking being mean to Chanel. So it's the white packaging that came. What is this in here? Okay, so it's the Versace Eros. I got the Versace Eros. Let's smell this. Oh my god. Oh my god. That smells good. Wow, that smells good. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this one in here for now because right now this is my favorite. This is how it closes. You know what? Let me flip the camera. Okay, guys. So it's the Versace. So this is how it looks like. You twist it. You see? You twist it and it comes out. So this is the one that I got. I got this Versace Eros. Smells good, you guys. Okay, let me show you guys the other two I got. The other two that I got the Burberry for Men. EDT. Let's smell this. Can't really smell it. Hold on, I gotta spray it. It smells good. I like it. Put this away. It's not my favorite. And then my third one, I got the Prada Luna Rosa. This is the one I'm like really excited for. Let's smell this. Yes, this is. I fucking had a feeling I was gonna love this one. This is my favorite. So far I like this one. This is my favorite, the Prada Luna Rosa. And then I like this one. No, not this one. And then I like this one. The Versace Eros. Oh my god, you guys. Wow. Ooh. So you guys, I actually don't like the Burberry one at all. The Burberry EDT, whatever. Wait, you guys. So I'm like letting I'm not letting it. Like it's just on my skin right now, the Burberry. And like the more it's sitting on my skin and the more like it's like going into my skin, I'm like starting to like it. Like, so I actually do prefer the Burberry EDT, whatever it's called. Yeah, that was my Valentine's gift to myself, girl. It was only $35. It's only $35 a month. I have a subscription. So it's $35 for 3 fragrances a month. And you can't get the same fragrance until 6 months. Which is the shitty part because I have like a lot of fragrances I want to try. I mean, I like the Luna. I like the fragrances that I got. So like I won't be able to get it again until 6 months, but it's okay. So I'm getting 3 fragrances a month. You can skip however much times you want. Yeah. I'm just warming up. I'm just trying to cool down my ribs because it's hot. Yeah. Good morning, guys. I want to eat breakfast. You guys, I ordered another case. I ordered like a case like this. It's Casemate. This is my old phone, you guys. Look, I missed the bigness. But I got a Casemate case, but I got the tough Wait, tough. A tough groove. Wait, rough groove. Wait, tough groove one. Oh, you'll see it. And it was on sale on Amazon. So yeah, this won't even last case for all. Come on, guys. So we're at Target. Yes. Hi, guys. No, is that? Oh yeah, that's yours. Hi, girl. Bella's getting a JoJo Siwa. Hey guys, we're at Target. We're trying to find the Truly lemonade. Wait, it looks like they're sold out. Come on, Logan. Guys, it's raining. Heading to Nanakuli now for the barbecue. Hey guys, we just got here. It's fucking cold. Everyone's here. Hi, Kyra. Hug. Hug.
The pozole is really good.
Hi, Erica.
Hi.
Pozole.
Pozole, baby.
Oh, I don't want the flash on. Hi, Travis. Kaylin, the babysitter. Oh my god, you guys. My auntie made pozole.
So good, you guys. You don't even know. You can't tell, but it's really windy.
I think they can hear it.
How far? You're just making some changes.
You never stopped yet? You didn't get irritated yet? For what? What? What's your vlog?
I'm massaging her.
Erica's being a slave. Erica's being Kaylin's slave. Hi, Logan. Hey, guys. Huh? No, I'm just vlogging. Okay, guys, look at this. Huh?
He vlogs. CJ, I can't cut it.
Just cut it.
I can't.
Why? Oh my god. You can help too. You can help too. Wow, okay, that's mean. I haven't said that. That's mean.
You are mean.
How am I mean? Did you hear what Kaden said?
Yeah.
That was so mean.
Guess who's not buying your stuff anymore?
Yeah. You're not sleeping over anymore.
How did I see? Wow.
Ew, it's so ugly, your attitude.
Oh my god, it's still recording.
Can you get me water?
How you want water?
Outside the juice.
What juice? Where? In the cold
In the fridge. In the fridge.
Yeah, I got that stuff ready. Oh, are you playing? Can I use your phone?
Maybe I should go put some. Sorry.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm your favorite uncle, yeah? Yeah.
Hold it.
I'm sorry, actually. I find it so funny how my whole family all plays games and card games, video games, board games, drinking games.
Oh, if you're gonna play drinking game, I'm you guys do watch anime.
You have the anime like cards or not the.
It's called Asian. It's called Asian Flush. It's like a.
No. Like drink if you like.
Yeah, it's like go around and game like.
Look, go put it up here, it's hot.
If you can't, then drink.
That's cool. We should play
Or
that.
do like
Let's play it. It's hot.
or sing like the opening to the.
I'm too full already.
Yeah, the opening intro to the last anime song.
That's cool.
If you can't, take 3 sips.
Moxie's only doing
It's like, I only have like 3 friends at home already. So like.
That's what we drank. We went through like all the cards.
Oh, you know about that.
Sorry guys. That's funny. Okay, it's your turn. Like,
Nothing?
Ready?
Yeah, they don't. Oh, smell like pepper.
Oh,
Breathe in. Breathe out.
I'm sorry, Melina.
it's okay.
I got some.
Hi.
Hello.
Hey guys, we're just chilling. I don't know why the camera quality is so shitty. No, only when it's wide, actually. Look how black it is. VR. I can't. It doesn't go in my eye. Oh, hello.
What will I bring back in time
Yeah.
to convince people that I
Oh my god, it's so tight.
am?
Okay, there.
How does it look, CJ?
Wait, what did I do? Wait, what is the game?
Wanna play a game?
Yeah.
What will I bring?
Gimme! Game is big. It's too. Okay, give me.
Let me try.
So you can pick a game.
Okay, what will I bring back?
Oh, okay. Okay. Wait, what did I do?
So this is how I pick with these.
Oh. Wait, it's still on it though.
And you're still recording.
Yeah, he's vlogging. Say hi.
Wait, how do I start it? Oh, there.
Might have to stand up. Yeah, yes.
Oh, really? No, right there. What game? The time? Oh, I think I do need to stand up. Oh, wait. Wait.
On 2020, about playing Good Good.
Where's the free ones?
Give me out. Give me.
Oh, that's confusing.
This is too big one.
I think I gotta stand up.
Okay, want me to vlog you?
No. Come on, Logan, go.
Got no choice. I'm all yours. I be kissing, call the stores. I be shipping out or indoors, baby. I'm a floss. Wet, why of course.